WPTC series of weld pad thermocouples from Harold G Schaevitz Industries is an ideal solution for industrial surface temperature measurement applications. These thermocouples consist of a flexible stainless steel pad that can be attached to flat or curved surfaces in a heavy-duty transition joint with spring strain relief, ensuring durability for various industrial applications. The pad features a flexible stem and can be brazed, welded, cemented, or clamped to a surface to ensure accurate measurements. The WPTC series is available in a range of special limits of error accuracy thermocouple configurations, including types J, K, and T. WPTC series thermocouples are robust, accurate, easy-to-install sensors that are ideal for surface temperature measurements in a range of industries, including the automotive industry, the process and power generation industries, and laboratory testing. The WPTC series of transition joint thermocouples are in stock and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now to speak to an experienced application engineer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. Harold G Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.